I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the right options so gestures respond reliably. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Touch. Enable Assistive Touch or Reachability depending on the gesture you want. Once done, make sure your screen is clean and any screen protector is aligned. Misalignment alters touch sensitivity. If you use gloves, switch to a capacitive-friendly pair. Now practice a simple swipe and tap to confirm the phone registers input before moving to multi-finger gestures. You now focus on core motions and why they matter. Tap, double tap, and long press perform different actions because duration changes system response. Practice varying pressure and hold time. Pinch and spread change zoom level because they convey relative distance. Try them on photos to see the effect. Use 3-finger swipes for undo/redo or multitasking. They require coordinated placement. If accuracy falters, create custom assistive touch gestures that record your exact motion so the system repeats it reliably. You finish by combining skills into fluid action and knowing fixes. Practice sequences like swipe, then long press for contextual menus, and link gestures to shortcuts for speed. Repetition trains muscle memory. If the phone misreads motions, tweak touch accommodations, change hold duration, or ignore repeat, because sensitivity settings are often the culprit. If problems persist, restart the device, install iOS updates, or reset touch settings. This usually resolves calibration or software conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.